Alright, in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Coresage Smart Contract account. As you can see, if you have been following my video, in the past days, I've been talking about a particular update, which is a Coresage Smart Contract. The smart contract affords you to earn core. For those of you that know or that don't know, core is Bitcoin's #1 DeFi chain, and I've been talking about this update in recent times. So if you actually want to know about this, I have a community where I do presentations or give you more knowledge on this core smart contract. All right, so you can use the link to join my community. And if you get to know, this core smart contract is actually a zero risk update. All right, it's a zero risk update, and you can run this at a very low cost, and you need 60 core to begin this update. And when you register the smart contract with this 60 core, all right, you can claim this core for life. For those of you who knew the Coresage Ethereum smart contract, all right, I wouldn't like to go much into that details, so use the link to join my community. So for you to get started on the Coresage smart contract, one, you need to have at least 60 core. And secondly, you need to have an OKX wallet, and thirdly, you need to deposit or fund your OK wallet with at least 60 core. So I have a syllabus in my community where I actually I place this video in order for those of you that want to get started. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's go right into the video. I'm going to drop in the link to get started in the description. I also have it in my community, so do well to get all these things ready before getting started. First, you copy the link. I already have the link copied here, so you see the explore button. You need an OKX wallet for this. I already have a video especially showing you guys how to create a Web3 wallet, especially MetaMask or OKX wallet. So if you have the link copied here, you see the explore button here. You click on the explore. So on the explore button there, I'll be pasting my link, here. So now you see this space here. Make sure you paste your link here. Paste your link here. So I'll be pasting this. So as you can see, it's already stated here. So I'll click this and search. So I will tap on it to search. So it's going to be taking me to Coresage dashboard where I'll be registering. So click on confirm here. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, do well to go down and smash the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification icon so that when I start uploading the content on updates like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And also make use of the link in the description to join my community. All right, when the link loads and it brings you to Coresage interface, as you can see here. So first thing we're doing is we'll be connecting our wallet. You can register direct in your OK wallet. So now, as you can see, I already have OKX wallet registered and installed in my phone. So I'll be tapping on OKX wallet. As you can see, I'll be tapping on this so as to connect my wallet. So now it's continuing. Now make sure you click on call down. Very, very important, guys. Make sure you switch to call down. As you can see, I've tapped call down here because the core is built on the Coresage smart contract blockchain. Is like I said, is built on the Coresage blockchain. So I'll be tapping on register here. As you can see, register here. Now as you can see guys, so I'll be confirming my transaction. Like I said earlier, this is what you need to get started, 60 core. In my next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to upgrade to the next level. As you can see, the worth of 60 core here, it is worth about $1.7. Like I said earlier, this is a low cost update, zero risk update. All right, after registering, you'll be asked to come to your dashboard. So this is my dashboard here. All right, this I have no partners yet. So this is my total earnings, none, because I just started. Now this is a total reward pool of core to be claimed. It's just for you now to just get a portion of this. All right, now make sure that after registering, you come to this part to claim your rewards. 60 core begins me from L1. Now to upgrade to L2, I'll be needing another 60 core. To upgrade to L3, I'll be needing another 120 core. Like I said earlier, I'll be creating another video showing you guys how to upgrade to these different levels. All right, because as you can see, when you noticed in my OKX wallet, I had 240 core. That will bring me to level 3. All right, that'll bring me to level 3. And you know, the higher the level, the more your earnings. All right, so that being said, I'll be coming to my claim reward here. I'll be clicking on claim reward here. Now this way, I'll be claiming my daily reward, which is 0.2 core every day. Now this is where you confirm. This is where you confirm 0.2 core. I'll be showing us this in my OK wallet shortly. So let me click on confirm. I'll be confirming and authenticating using my biometric. Now this is confirmed. So I have claimed, as you can see here, transaction confirmed. Transaction has been confirmed. Now I can see the claim button is no longer highlighted. So I'll be coming back here in the next 24 hours to claim my next core. All right. Now, as you can see here, under my earnings here, as you can see, 0.2 core, 0.2 core. I'll be coming back here in the next 24 hours. Make sure you set your alarm to be claiming, to make sure not to miss on any claims. All right. Now, I want to believe you have gotten value from this video. And if you have got up to this point, and you're yet to subscribe and you like what you see, I would like you now to go down and smash the subscribe button. Use the link in the description. Join my community so as to be what? Getting more updates or more information or more education on the Coresage Smart Contract, because I'm still learning the system. I'm actually not. So in due time, I'll be studying and making research on this update, and I'll be giving us more information about this. Thank you guys for staying up to this point and subscribing. See you in my next update.